Good morning, everyone. I hope you all are doing well. So, today I am riding in the Dundas Valley area. Now, this is about 50 miles from Toronto, about 80 kilometers west of Toronto. So, if you're driving from Niagara Falls, this should be on your way to Toronto. And absolutely beautiful area.
All right, so we are ready to go. This is the most beautiful route I have ridden on after Algonquin, which I took you last week on. As you can see from the drone footage as well, the bird's eye view and this location is absolutely, mind-blowing. Like, I think it's the best time of the year to come around here and enjoy some fall colors, as well as enjoy a beautiful ride. So we will pass along this road. It's not too long, but I've set points. I mean, not too long in the sense it's about, like, I would say 10 miles or 20 kilometers of the loop, which we are taking. But beautiful, some very sharp curves, and also not so good and nicely paved roads. So one thing, if you're coming down here, is to be careful with the roads. You can probably see from the footage as well, the roads are not that great, but the ride and the experience is awesome. So we'll be passing through the I would say the Ancaster downtown area, and then heading into other beautiful points. So I've set like short points on the map, and there's a way I figured out how to do it when using Apple CarPlay. With Android Auto, I wasn't able to set points on a map or on a route that I have already chosen. Well, but on the CarPlay, there's an option. Once I plug in the CarPlay, I can still go to Google Maps on my phone and then hit and select, different points. And this way I am able to follow exactly the same route that I have, planned, instead of Google taking me through different points and different ways. So we'll be turning right here. This is just a small part of the, city we'll have to pass through. But once we come down that point, and then we just need to, all we need to do is keep following, just cut through the city like I said, and then head into the other direction, which is part of the Dundas Conservation Area. A lot of riders you'll see here in summer, during fall now, because it's a beautiful time of the year to enjoy. So, and probably one of the last few days as well. So why not? Everyone should be out and enjoying. A little bit about Ancaster. So Ancaster is basically part of the Hamilton, city of Hamilton. And it's a very, Hamilton itself is a very old city. So a lot of heritage here to discover, to explore. Great place for hiking. So if you're into hiking, you will find some great spots here to even hike. Any of my friends riding down, that's why the information I'm providing here is for anyone riding down from US to Canada, in particular Ontario, crossing Niagara Falls. This is something, they can do. This is something they can come down to Hamilton, take this road that I'm showing you today, or take the Snake Road, which I did show you last time, or probably, do some hiking. So there's a lot to ride here, a lot to do here. So this is, another beautiful route. So Old Ancaster Road takes you down here, and then you can probably, I don't know if you can see it on my Google Maps as well, but it's a beautiful road. Look at the colors. Be careful with the roads. A lot of gravel typically here. Roads are not that great, but to enjoy the ride, why not? The speed limits are 40. Some nice twisties, nice route. Definitely worth the ride here. Look at these colors. Wow. Absolutely wow. I'll show you the snapshot of this on the Google map just so you know what the loop looks like. But yeah, definitely a great route to ride on. You see all the cars here, they're probably parked here for the trails. So a lot of hiking spots, famous routes for hikers. You can Dundas Valley, Dundas, the conservation area is huge. Great place for hiking. That's why you'll see different parking spots where people park and then they're just in the woods out there enjoying some nice hike. I think once we end, this is my second time here, so I believe once the road ends, that's where we enter into the Dundas Conservation Area and around that. So this loop that I came with a friend and he was riding in front of me, and I basically copied the route on the Eat Sleep Ride app, and then I went home and copied it onto my Google Maps, and that is what makes it easier for me to follow every time. So it's a always stop, and be careful on this road again if you're coming down here. Wet leaves could be, if you're coming in fall, be careful with the leaves. That's something, that's why I try to keep a distance from there, but at the same time keeping my eye on the car, to be safe. But beautiful ride. Look at those leaves on the thing, these trees and the view, the sun peeking from in between the trees. That's absolutely beautiful. One of the things I love, or I've fallen in love during this whole fall riding experience, is the leaves flying and falling on me. So I just love it. It seems so out of the movie kind of scene to me. And every time I'm flying, I'm riding, and the wind's blowing, and you see all the fall leaves. You come across or come under a tree where all the fall leaves are falling, and it just creates a beautiful scene. I tried to capture it a few times, but I guess it's not the same with what I'm seeing with my naked eye. So it's a different experience altogether with what I'm seeing and what I'm experiencing. But like you see, beautiful route. A lot of bikers again here, probably because everyone knows which route to follow, and they're going in the same direction where I am. So you will see a lot of riders on a good day like today. Press the brake a little bit hard and the hill start assist worked. This is something I love about it. Look, so you don't need to worry that you're on a heavy motorcycle and you might roll back. The hill start assist works great. And honestly, if I find myself anytime in an odd situation where I feel the hill start assist is not working, I got the handbrake right underneath here. So either that or the hill start assist is perfect. Works when I need it. What else can I ask for? Alrighty. So here, this Sulphur Spring Road is where I feel the last time I came, it loops into the Dundas Valley Conservation Area. So that is where I felt all the sharp turns came all of a sudden, and a lot of glass pieces. So yeah, it was last time was a week back, and I saw there was a lot of very narrow roads and glass pieces. So something to be careful about. But again, a beautiful road, so why not? Worth going. I just love this night rod or V-rod or whatever they call it. That rear tire is just something. Yep. So this Sulphur Spring Road is, eventually it's going to be much narrower than this. And I think it will lead me to that loop. And feel free to let me know in the comments below what you have been doing for your fall rides. If you get a fall, or in case you don't, how have you been riding lately? Thank you to all my existing supporters and subscribers for all your support. And if you're new to the channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification icon so you don't miss on any future upcoming videos. Oh, look at these houses, man. I've learned a technique to stop on the stop signs with that 2 seconds and then turn. So that avoids the rollover in most cases, with me keeping my, feet still up, but I give that 2 second stop that's needed before you can start riding on a stop sign. So you will see these cars, a lot of cars, turning, coming into your lane, misjudging their driving or riding, and that is the reason you need to be careful. I felt even last time when you're here. Plus, with the potholes and the road not being in the best shape, I feel it's better to be safe, right? Yeah, look, so now it says for 3 kilometers we have all twisties with bad roads and potholes. But that's fine. I guess the good takes over the bad, right? Nice. Oh god. This is absolutely, look, the color changing, yellow to green, beautiful leaves on this roadside. Damn, someone has a nice house here. I didn't notice this last time. I think I was too busy riding, but beautiful houses here. I would love to live here. See, some are very tight curves, and these two are one of them. You can also see in the map, it does become like this. You're passing in between, and the good thing is, for all of you watching me riding on the GoldWing, it's a piece of cake. Thank you very much, Honda, for making this machine. People say you need to come up on a smaller ride, on a smaller bike to enjoy such roads. Nah, boys. Come on the GoldWing. You're gonna love it. So these waypoints that I've set on the Google map are very helpful. Look, it comes towards the end. I just click continue, and that's it. The next spot starts from here, right? So I take a right here because that is not a paved road. I saw it last time too, and we decided to turn. Alright, yeah. So I think this road that I was talking about, or what I took, ends here, and then you take a right on Governor's Road, and then what you do is you'd have to take a left for another, a little bit of more curves, but we are almost towards the end. Just be mindful with a few tips I've given you in case, you're an aggressive rider, just to be safe while riding. The good thing with my maps on is that I'm always able to see where the bend or the curve is coming. This is what helps me as well plan my turn. I don't know how many of you do that, but if you do, that's a great habit. I do that most of the times, especially if I'm going on a route which I don't know. Best thing to do is turn the navigation on and watch where the turns are coming. Kind of gets you prepared, right? Whether it's a sharp turn or not. Always wave to the fellow riders. The biker community is strong and good. One thing I also notice is while riding on this, don't keep to the right. Right has the most potholes. Keep it either in the center or the left. I keep on the left more also for the cars to see me, but at the same time I'm careful with how much I can see them. Let's say if someone's coming in my lane, then I know that, okay, what's my next stop. We're finally back to the loop where we left, and this is where I would like to thank all of you for watching this video and enjoying the ride with me. Make sure to hit the like button if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to the channel if you're new here. Till next time, ride safe, take care, and I'll talk to you soon.